real scared.
Thinking and knowing is like two totally different things. So you know how, like, say if someone gets a phone call, or say if we go out of range or something, I wonder how it's gonna.
They said link them to if someone's riding in the back of the group, they should be linked last, and the first should be up in front so the connection's strong between the four.
What, oh,
So
fuck,
crazy.
I just forgot my question. Oh, Jesus. Oh, what Sena is she using? What Sena are you using? Which one's that, Randy?
The one I got?
Yeah.
A 10?
Okay.
A 10 or whatever?
So we got three.
Yeah, the new version.
We got 3 20S's and a 10.
Don't be a hater.
No, I'm not hating. I'm saying it for the conversation.
I got it for $100.
It's so.
This is the first time I've had 4 people and been able to record it, so it's pretty cool.
Oh, that is right. That is right. Oh, hey, guy. Nice bike. No lid.
Damn, we got the whole joint going.
Wait! Hold on. Wait, don't go yet.
Oh, you got those lights on there? I seen that in Randy's vid.
Oh, she gotta put her gloves on.
Yeah, but I just dropped one.
She gotta, whatever you do, just take your time. Don't worry about none of us.
I'm usually going slow anyway.
Any suggestions on where you would like to go?
No.
No.
Nowhere I'm gonna get blown over by the wind.
That's a fact. I don't want to get blown by the wind, but it's not that windy right now.
Yeah.
Yeah, boy, thank you. You think those tires fall down from sitting up there?
Oh, yeah. Sorry.
I approve.
Said what?
Tuck your head down a little bit.
Yeah.
Watch this puddle in the right lane here. Water runoff. She about to get it anyway. Who won it? Somebody come up and get in between, get this whooping real quick.
Who?
Anybody. Randy likes them whooping, so.
Oh, you gonna beat me. He says. Y'all both will beat me off the line right now. Oh, look at them strips, though. You got them strips nice and thin.
Any cops around?
They usually are. I don't give a fuck.
I don't see nothing.
If they're coming for somebody, they're gonna come for me.
I was like, who was that?
Damn, that was horrible.
Ouch. Yeah, I can't do that even if my bike's faster.
I gotcha!
Oh, you know, oh, the rain's here.
Ah, shit.
Mother Nature sure knows how to ruin a day.
The rain was like, hold on now.
Especially when
That's
you
what
got
I'm saying.
plans.
One down there.
About to fucking downpour.
Look at how
Is it?
close to people.
Get the fucking
Social
radar.
distance.
Yeah, we were looking at it before.
Told
We're
you.
about to be encroached.
What's he saying?
He's saying it's about to downpour.
Oh man, please don't say that.
Yeah, if it's gonna downpour, I'm trying to go
On
home.
our little own.
What time's that at?
Huh?
What time's it looking like it's gonna get there?
Popeye!
Hit us in like
What?
3 minutes.
Ah,
It's time to find the fuck. That's
3
either
minutes?
a Get-go or something back there.
ah.
We
Yeah,
gotta
that sounds
pull
scary
into
as
a
heck.
get-go.
What?
It's gonna pour in like 3 minutes.
We're about to be at a gas station anyway.
We're going to sheep at the bottom of this hill.
I can't hear you, but we gotta go there.
We're going to a gas station.
He said, you gotta find cover, mate. You boys find your way out of the storm.
Fucking just bounces.
Oh no! Right.
Yeah. Ties the bikes, it will sit somewhere for 2 or 3 hours and wait for the rain to stop. I'm the type who tries to beat the rain. He did not get back.
The scarecrow! Oh my motherfucking god! To the right. Y'all coming down there.
Oh, I see.
Oh my god.
That thing is ugly.
That motherfucker's scary as a bitch.
Hey, turn your turn signal off, Grandma.
Oops.
Oh, that's a Randy move too. That's a newbie move there.
Oh, he's ripping. Where you going, boy? So twitchy, it feels like.
Ready?
Yep.
And if you cheat like a motherfucker.
I got you with that fight.
I didn't even, I swear when you said go, I didn't even engage it, and I was like, hold on, wait.
Okay, we can try this one.
Ready?
Go!
I was spinning like crazy off the part. I started in first.
Alright.
Bro, that was the first year.
Yeah, I was in first gear for sure, and I started spinning.
Thank you for acknowledgement.
Oh, for sure.
Are you guys?
You little punk ass. You're right.
Randy, I'm on your right.
Oh, new black ball. Since when?
You guys are not
About to find out.
Footage of you.
What?
That'll get some. Actually, I'm not.
No, I'm not because my stupid ass camera don't want to listen.
That's what I'm talking about. Oh.
Sure is dumb. The coronavirus dumb site.
I don't know.
Oh, gee, that's a whole timer.
I might stop at McDonald's really fast, and it's right here.
Then go if you're going.
Oh, God
Where?
damn it.
McDonald's got the corona.
They don't even look open. That's Corona waiting to happen.
Sorry, man. All of us got a little bit of corona. Some just higher level.
I'm bumping everybody today.
Y'all got corona.
Y'all
Who
nuts.
got it?
You got it. You definitely got it.
They
I've
got it.
been had it.
Oh,
You know I had
and he's just pure corona. Top pure corona.
it. Stupid.
This is just weird anymore. Like stuff's like this is just.
Yeah.
Okay, so we went to Texas Roadhouse,
Yeah, right there.
and you literally could like pull up, and they had picnic tables outside where you
You
could
can
like
eat
they
out
would
there.
bring food outside.
You
First.
down
Let
with
this
the
car go. Let this car go.
What car? Oh my gosh.